somebody like me.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy.
Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝙏𝙗𝙖 𝙠𝙔𝙤𝙪. In this channel we do lifestyle and everything in between. Anything interesting, I might bring it to you guys. So
make it. They all think that you're faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah.
Polen kwako kakuku is always screaming. I think he's always crawling in the background of my my videos, but where I live ni karibu homes, like not apartment, nina border na homes. That's why that cuckoo is always screaming in a crawl. So I just wanted to log him here and start this vlog. This is not the vlog that I was intending to upload, but life happened last night kutoka 8 hadi leo asubuhi. I have been in so much pain. Nilikuanga na cramps, crazy cramps. Nimekunywa painkillers zote zenye I had in this house zikaisha, na ni zile cramps like unakunywa painkiller then after 2 minutes inarudi. I tried to avoid taking painkillers, but this was like too much. So I don't think I will manage to go and shoot the video because I'm not in the best health, but I can shoot from within the house. I may go to the hospital to see what is ailing me after breakfast. So I wanted to show you, Nana, the sink is full of dirty clothes, of dirty vyombo that we used yesterday night. My brother is around, my bro, the small one, so I have to make breakfast. Hapa kuna maziwa. Jana usiku I wanted to make chai, but everyone said they don't want to take chai. So what I'm going to do, I'll just set the camera and then clean hizo vyombo so that we can cook breakfast. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and please, if you are not subscribed, like, share and comment so that we can we can hit the threshold. Yeah, thanks. So guys, nimeosha vyombo. I think it's not very dirty. Tunapeel. My brother is peeling my apple. And kuna chai hapa. Time to have breakfast. A simple breakfast. So after breakfast, it was like 12:30ish. I went to the hospital, which is near where I live. I spent the whole afternoon literally hospital because they aim to take vipimo and do some scans on my belly to see what was causing the pain. Nilikuwanga in so much pain, I was shaking. If you have noticed from the video that I was introducing Apple, my face is so swollen, like swollen. So we got the result, and thanks God there was nothing serious with me. Scans hazikuonyesha anything, so I was told to manage it and given some small painkillers. I just paid the bill, nikachukua dawa, and I was off home. I needed something to cook, and I planned to make matoke, so nilipitia green grocery Kibadaske karibu na home ndio ninunue what I needed for supper, and this is me. Nikanunua mandizi and off I went home from the hospital, and nikapitia kwa soko, as you can see, and I will show you what I bought. This is nyama that I'm intending to cook with matoke. These are the few things that I got: melon, apples, onions, tomatoes, saumu, bananas for matoke. And yeah, so I will just go ahead and prepare our dinner, which will be matoke. Me, I don't know how you cook your matoke, but me, when I boil meat kando and then I fry everything, and I cook less than 20 minutes and it will just be ready. I love adding nyama ndani yake because I don't like the taste of hiyo matoke bila nyama. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I think it makes it more tasty when you put nyama inside. Other people, I think, so it's easy for me to make matoke because it doesn't require much. Just peel the matokes and the potatoes if you prefer that, and boil beef or whatever separately, then make a paste, add the nyama inside, and then add the matoke and cook for 10 to 15 minutes depending on how much you want it cooked, and it will be ready to serve. That's why I prefer cooking it. Yeah, so that is all for this video. I don't think I will be able to shoot something else because bado I'm in pain. So I hope mtaenjoy. Please subscribe to this channel. I like you guys. I love you. Bye. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Bye. Love you.